Hi! For this video, I will show you the importance of the stars in determining the right time to farm. But first of all, what is stars? Stars is a luminous ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium held together by its own gravity. The pattern of the stars seen in the sky are usually called constellation. Constellation is a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern that is traditionally named after its apparent form or identified with a mythological figure. These constellations were first catalogued by the Greek astronomer Claudius Ptolemy in the 2nd century CE. Ptolemy did not name this constellation but simply documented them in his Almagest. So back in our topic, the stars allowed farmers to plan ahead and form agriculture, and constellation made it easier to recognize and interpret the patterns in the sky. The constellations also helped with navigation. Constellations were invented to help farmers remember them. When they saw certain constellations, they would know it was time to begin the planting. Farmers have always known that for most crops, you plant in the spring and harvest in the fall. Before there were proper calendars, people had no way of determining when to sow or harvest except by the stars. Example, when Orion started to be fully visible, winter was coming soon. Or they could look at the summer triangle to know when summer or spring are coming as well. Did you know? If there were no stars, all humans will be exposed to a cosmic radiation that falls from the atmosphere due to negative 100 degrees temperature. Without the sun, the world will be no photosynthesis, causing all plants, animals, and humans to die. Did you know that there are no green stars? Because the black body spectrum of stars, which describe the amount of light in each wavelength and depends on the temperature, doesn't produce the same spectrum of colors as, for example, a rainbow. And I will share to you a simple fact about stars. In the song of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, did you know that stars don't twinkle? In actual fact, stars do not actually twinkle. They just appear to do so from our perspective on our Earth. That's all for today's video. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.